Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood TFG, also known as a Transform Gundam, and welcome back to another video. Today I thought I would just do a quick video showing off what I picked up from Best Buy, and if you saw the title, you know exactly what this is. This is my first Earthrise I've actually found, the Earthrise Deluxe Class Wheeljack. Now, yes, if you didn't know, Best Buy actually started selling Earthrise figures, which is a real surprise. And honestly, Best Buy was the first place I was actually able to find these figures. So yeah, that's really cool. At the Best Buy I happened to go with, they didn't have any of the leader classes, sadly, but they did have Grapple, and they also had Cliff Jumper, and of course this guy. I decided to just go with Wheeljack because I was planning on picking him up anyways. But the figure I'm actually looking forward to the most, which I haven't found yet, is of course Starscream. But for now, let's just do a quick unboxing of this guy, and then expected a review coming maybe sometime over the weekend. I'm gonna have to make this quick because I'm gonna have to wake up early tomorrow since I'm going to be traveling with some friends. So yeah, let's take a quick look at the box and we'll get into the actual unboxing. So taking a quick look at the box here, as you can see, it looks fairly similar to what we saw with the War for Cybertron Siege figures, except of course it says Earthrise at the bottom and it has different artwork. So yeah, taking a closer look here at the logo, it's pretty simple. It just says War for Cybertron Trilogy Earthrise. Of course, this is a Hasbro product, and also Takara Tomy, because Takara Tomy and Hasbro work together to make these products, so that's cool, and it's part of the Generations line. It says Wheeljack on the side here. We get this really cool artwork of Wheeljack. I always love how they include these really nice artworks for all these newer Transformers figures. On the top, it has a Autobot logo, War for Cybertron Trilogy, and on the side here, we get a nice look at the Earthrise artwork, which looks really cool. Yeah, there's that. And then finally taking a look at the back here, we get some pictures of the actual figure. It says it transforms in 18 steps, and a picture of, I believe that is Sound Blaster. He transforms into a shield and can be used by Wheeljack. So yeah, that's about it for the box. Now let's get into the actual unboxing.
Let's see how he likes my new shock blast cannon. That's a shock, all right.
So if I don't really sound too enthusiastic, I'm actually really excited about this line and this figure. I'm just really tired, so that's why I don't really sound too excited. But trust me, I actually am really excited to crack this open. So let's cut the tape on the top here, and let's see what's inside. And yeah, there's actually more tape here on the side, so let's get that real fast. There we go. And here we go. Let's pull out the figure. So here he is, and of course we get the little, what do you call this? The little finder thing that you can use to find hidden, I guess, maps or messages on this thing. So that's cool. I'll get into that later. Of course, we have the actual instruction manual. And let's take out the figure. Of course, he is in by some of these, what do you call them? Pie things. I'm sorry. I'm having a brain fart right now because I am pretty tired. But let's just cut these real fast. There we go. Got that. Got that. Try not to damage the figure here. And one more. There we go. We finally got him free. So here is Wheeljack himself. And let's just get his accessory. Alright. Pop that sucker out, and here we go. Here is Wheeljack. First impressions, he looks really great, of course. Seems to have decent articulation, just kind of quickly playing around with him. Of course, I will have a proper review out, and he has his little gun, which I'm pretty sure in the show was just clipped on the top here. It's really tight, but something like that. So yeah, here is Cliff Jumper. I can't wait to play around with him more, get to transforming him, and get to reviewing him. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I'm sorry it was kind of short. And yeah, oh, also, if you couldn't tell, I finally, shaved and got a haircut. I know, it was a long time coming. But yeah, I think this thing looks a lot better. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions. And yeah, that's about it for me. This is a Transformer Gundam, signing out.